Are you ready, kids?
Aye,
Aye, Captain. Okay, 8.5. A2. Let's say we got through number 6, right? So let's do number 7. Number 7.
This year or last.
Like I said, it was probably most likely algebra 1. Okay, number 7. I have 6x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 9 plus 4 divided by x minus 3. No, I did this. Yeah, boring for teachers. Okay, let's go ahead and factor x squared minus 9. Difference of squares. So I get x plus 3, x minus 3. Anything else I can factor here? Nope. Okay, let's do a common denominator here. What's my common denominator? X minus 3, x plus 3, and x minus 3. What's going to be my least common denominator? Yeah, I only need one up. Thank you, Larry. I only need one of the x minus 3s, right? These are all to the power 1, first of all. I only need one of the x minus 3s. And I need an x plus 3, right? Okay, so this becomes one fraction using the denominator, the least common denominator, x minus 3, x plus 3. Okay, what do I do with that least common denominator now that I have the one denominator here? What? The other two. Well, I have common denominators just multiplying all the denominators together. Yeah, this times this times this. But I don't need an x minus 3 squared. I just need an x minus 3 for each. Okay, I'm going to multiply the numerator by x minus 3, x plus 3, the least common denominators, right? Okay, the first one, what cancels out? X plus 3 and x minus 3. So I only have 6x plus 1 plus, what cancels out in the second fraction? The x minus 3. So I have 4 times x plus 3. Good. Okay, now I got to start simplifying. Sometimes this takes a long time. What's that? No. Yeah, guys, this is a common mistake. And actually, I did this when I was learning this. I looked at this and I said, hey, there's 2x plus 3s here I can cancel out. Remember, these are two terms. I have a plus or minus sign in between. These are locked in there. Okay? So I can't cancel them out. But what I need to do is I need to simplify the numerator. So I need to distribute that 4 over the parentheses. So I get 6, yeah, I'm going to write out the steps though. I have 6x plus 1 plus 4x plus 12. Now I'm going to combine the like terms. 6x and 4x is 10x. 1 plus 12, 13, all over x minus 3, x plus 3. Can I simplify that? Nope. That's my answer. Questions, comments, concerns? Did we do number? Yeah, we did number 6. Any questions? Today is much better than yesterday. God, I hate just sitting there doing nothing. You're a real jerk. You know, let me turn this off. Hang on. Say that again. It probably had an accommodation. That was very close. But from what I understand, they had shuttle buses for kids that were late. Okay, so I gotta take out an A. That gives me A minus 2. Yeah, that's a difference of squares. So A plus 2, A minus 2. Okay, what's my LCD here? Yep. Except we're missing one more thing. Okay, I have the two factors. I have A minus 2 and A plus 2, but I need an A. Yep. Huh? We did 7. Well, I don't know. Let's multiply. Well, that becomes my. Quiet down, guys. That becomes my lowest common denominator, right? So I'm going to multiply each numerator by A plus 2, A minus 2. Okay, let's look at the first one there. What cancels out? A minus 2, A minus 2. So I'm left with 10 times A plus 2 minus the next one. Let's see, A plus 2, A plus 2, A minus 2, A minus 2. So I have 5 times 8 or 5A. Now again, don't cancel out here yet because these are locked in, right? Okay, so now we have to distribute and simplify the numerator. So I get 10A plus 20 minus 5A all over A times A plus 2, A minus 2. Yeah, you guys could probably do a couple of steps here at once. Okay, so this becomes 10a minus 5a is 5a plus 20 all over a times a plus 2, a minus 2. We can factor out an a here. I'm sorry, a 5. I get a plus 4 and nothing cancels out. I took out a factor of 5. So either one of these will work. Nope. What? Questions, comments, concerns? My last problem. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and factor these. This is for 6. Okay, factor this quadratic. I have x times x to get x squared. This is a minus, so I need 1 plus, 1 minus. Larger numbers got to be the minus. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, next fraction. Have to factor it. X times x is x squared. That's a minus, so I have a plus and a minus. The bigger number has to be the minus, so 2 times 1 is 2. Be minus. Okay, what's my LCD here? Okay, I need 1 x plus 1, right? These to the first power. X plus 1. I need an x minus 4. And I need an x minus 2. So I got a pretty large LCD. X minus 2. So I have x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x minus 2. Yes, it is. Right. So, yeah, that's the pattern that I yelled at Martin for the other day because I didn't want you guys to get confused at the time. You're just going to multiply the 5, but by whatever this doesn't have. Okay, in other words, here's my LCD. Here's my x plus 1. Here's my x minus 4. So what am I going to multiply this 5 by? X minus 2. And what am I going to multiply this 3 by? X minus 4. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. Right. Yeah, see, they cancel out. Okay, so my numerator becomes 5 times x minus 2 minus 3 times x minus 4. Yeah, we're going to have to distribute. Don't cancel anything out. It's locked in here. Distribute first. Okay, we get 5x minus 2. I'm sorry, minus 10. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. All over x plus 1, x minus 4, x minus 2. Okay, combine your like terms. 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 2, right? Minus 10 plus 12 plus 12. All over x plus 1, x minus 4, x minus 2. Am I done? Of course not, because I said, am I done? What could I take out of the top two terms? What am I left with? Good. What can I cancel out now? What's my answer? 2 over x minus 4, x minus 2. That's a big problem. Yep. Okay, here's what we're going to do for rational expression, addition and subtraction homework. On your homework practice worksheet packet. Okay, the book work problems are harder than the practice worksheet. So today, you're going to do the practice worksheet today. So 8.5 practice worksheets today. And what do you think tomorrow is going to be? That's right, Thursday. It's going to be the book work. So you're actually going to have a work day tomorrow doing the book work tomorrow.
Brian was kind of going to go yesterday, or
Questions, comments, concerns?